Today we're answering the number one asked question. How do I get picked up and cited by AI in AI mode? The keynote here is there's a big focus now on supporting or informational content as opposed to the way that we optimize or count out our commercially intended content. The first piece to understand here is how are people searching? And in most cases, people are searching using a question. They want an answer to a question. And then as we know in many cases as well, people are often led by the answer to this question down a sales funnel. And so the first question is, what are people asking that's relative to our business that we can answer? Then once we figure that out, here's some tips for you. Lead with your answer. The AI is looking for something in the range of 40 to 60 words when they're looking for an answer. You might as well give it to them straight off of the bat so that they don't have to waste time. We know that AI is very intolerant of having to wait around, such as long load speeds. If you want to get rewarded, make it easy for them to do it. Because we want to use logical hierarchy, basically have our H2s and H3s set up in a format that the headings ask the questions and then the body gives the answer, of course. Our goal in most cases is to answer one primary question and answer it quickly. There are usually other pieces of information or other questions that fall underneath the umbrella of this question. And so in such cases, we obviously want to be using logical hierarchy, making sure to use our H2s and H3s as clear and concise labels for the questions to which then we will provide the answer and information. Google did recently remove FAQ-rich results. We still want to be communicating clearly with the bots so that they can grasp all the value on our page. And so I'll point out and remind you that we want to be ensuring that we utilize schema on our page. We're going to make sure to lay in our stuff like our article or FAQ schema still, so that we are, again, clearly communicating what the information is to Google. Did I mention make it easy to get rewarded? And the last little tip here, and this one might be a big duh for some, is if you want to get picked up by AI, you should make sure they're able to crawl it. Make sure your robots text and your server settings enable AI crawling. We also, obviously, no matter how good our answer is, no matter how expert we are in a field, we're nobody without authoritative integrity. And so don't forget to be building your trust signals across the web, making sure that we have all of our links from our social media profiles, that we're building brand mentions, things of this nature. Google values all facets of your brand from the identity to the information, so make sure that everything is logged in properly. SEO at this point, it's less of a how do I game the system, and it's more how complete am I within the confines of this system. If you're trying to get cited by AI, or maybe you just want somebody to help you stay focused, you can come and see me over at Optilineage anytime. This is also my housing for free education and work samples if you're interested. Thanks, guys. Hope this helps you out. My name's Alex Palmer, and I'll see you in the next one.